So what I want to show you today is our linear profile and actually how you would apply the cover. So generally the cover just slide in and out. So if you actually took the cover out, you could slide it back in and slide it down. But a lot of the time you may be in between two units or two panels and you can't slide it because you haven't got the distance. What you need to do in that case is put the cover over so it's just on one side but not the other, and then pop it down one side, and that will put the cover back into the aluminium profile. And there you have the linear profile.